Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yoyis and I'm a lash artist in Las Vegas. And in today's video, I finally got around to do this video for you guys. It's a highly requested video. I've been getting a lot of questions on how to make your lash bed more comfy, and this is the way that I make my lash bed comfy. Okay, so if you guys haven't seen my vlog 1, in that video I did do an unboxing and I showed you guys all the stuff that I ended up getting. So before, I used to just have, you know, a regular lash pillow, and then I had some pillows under my clients, so it was like a very simple setup. But after a while, I did notice that my clients were like, oh, you know, aching. So I decided to finally invest in my clients' comfort, and I feel like that is very, very important when it comes to keeping your clients. You want your clients to keep coming back. You want your clients to come and feel like this is their nap time, where they could just come and relax, like a good spa day, you know? Their comfort is very, very, very important. So if you want to see how I got my bed from this to this, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so if you guys haven't seen a week in my life as a lash artist, then you guys probably haven't seen this. But in that video, I pretty much did an unboxing of all the products that I'm going to be showing you guys today. So in today's video, I'm pretty much just going to show you guys how to make your lash bed as comfortable as possible for your clients. And sometimes I know that most of us are on a budget, even me. So all of the stuff that I did purchase is from Amazon, and most of the stuff, pretty much all the stuff, is very, very affordable. I know that there's a couple brands or companies out there that do make stuff for your lash bed, like memory foam, lash pillows, leg pillows. They do all that and it comes in a bundle, but it can be a little pricey. So that's why I wanted to show you guys a cheaper alternative on how to transform your lash bed to make it as comfy as possible for your clients. So the first thing I want to talk about is you don't need to go out and purchase a really expensive bed like me. So this was a gift from my husband. He wanted to do something nice for me, so he did purchase this bed from the same guy that did my vanity, and I pretty much talk about it in all my videos, but you guys still ask anyways. So if you guys haven't seen my lash room tour or my lash bed versus recliner video, I do talk about all that stuff in my videos. So if you guys haven't seen my bed, then I recommend to go watch that video so you guys can get an idea of my bed. Like I said, my bed was custom made. It was a little pricey, so if you are on a budget, I don't recommend to go that route. Amazon has a lot of massage tables, and I'll link a couple of them for you guys down below. Again, everything is going to be in the description box down below. If I did miss something, let me know. But again, I want to let you guys know now to check the description box before you ask, because everything will be linked down below. So yes, massage tables, there's a bunch of them on Amazon for under $100. Honestly, cheap is the best way to go. You can make really comfortable through other products. I'm making this video for the ones that do want something more on budget friendly side. I wanted to talk about my bed because I know a bunch of you guys are still gonna ask me anyways. So now for the fun part, I'm gonna show you guys how to decorate your bed to make it more comfy. Okay, so for item number 1, that is gonna be, of course, a memory foam topper. And honestly, you could find way better ones online, but we do like to save a little money here. So I ended up getting this memory foam, and technically the size of it, like I said, everything will be linked down below. So before you ask me, go check down there. I'll have the size of this memory foam. I believe this is the perfect size for massage table. Like I said, I'll have it linked down below. I feel like my bed is a little bit smaller, so I ended up cutting it a little bit at the bottom to fit it to the right size. As you can see, it is the perfect fit, and it is comfy enough where your clients have a little bit more cushion to play with. My bed is made out of memory foam, but the leather on top of it makes it a little hard, so I wanted to make it a little more comfy. And as you can see, you kind of sink in a little bit, so I did want to make it a little more extra comfy. This fleece padding, it's literally just a little padding, and the best part is that it comes with this little whatever you call them, straps. And I love that I'm able to strap it on my bed. And I think it'll be easier for an actual massage table because I only have one section where I'm able to strap it underneath. The other section, I can't really do that. I'm only able to strap it on the actual memory foam, but it doesn't lift anyway, so that's fine. So all you have to do is just fix it to align it with your bed. Simple as that. As you can see, it's already starting to look more comfy. Honestly, my clients noticed a big difference when they laid on this after I had set it up, and they're like, what did you do? Okay, now that that's set up, I ended up getting some twin bed sheets. They actually have massage table bed sheets on Amazon, but like I said, I didn't know if they were gonna fit my bed just because I didn't know the exact measurements for my bed. So I ended up getting twin sheets. And I did end up washing these. I put them in the washer, they just came out the dryer. But I like that it comes with a set. So it did come with the pillowcase. The reason why I got this is for the pillowcase. That way I could put it over my pillow and then put a protective bib over it. That way my pillow isn't getting damaged or I get glue on it. So I wanted a protective cover case for my pillow. So it comes with the bottom sheet and the top sheet. So this is exactly what I ended up doing. So it came with a fitted sheet, and this one I end up using it for the bottom layer. Go ahead and fast forward this part. Okay, and now that that part's done, I ended up buying a knee pillow, and this pillow is actually very, very comfy. So I ended up using it for my clients' legs to kind of elevate their back a little bit. That way they're not lying flat on the bed, and that could cause a lot of discomfort on the back. So it's best that you guys place a knee pillow. That way it elevates their back and they don't have any back problems. So I'm gonna go ahead and place that there. And then I'm gonna take the top sheet. Okay, so this is how it looks like after I put the second sheet on top. And as you can see, it protects the pillow. You can't put a protective plastic covering on top of all of this. They do sell them on Amazon, but like I said, I don't do that. I want my clients to be as comfortable as possible, and I end up cleaning these out a lot, and then I change them to blankets. So like I said, I am going to be getting a couple of these sheets. That way I'm able to change them frequently. But like I said, I have a lot of blankets that I go through anyways. For the sake of this video, I just wanted to show you guys exactly what I do. So the last and final thing is gonna be my pillow. This pillow right here has completely changed everything for me. So if you guys have seen my previous videos, then you guys know that I use a regular lash pillow, and honestly I still use that pillow when I need to record videos, because this pillow doesn't let me attach my acrylic case to help me record videos. This is just for the comfort of my clients. So if I'm not recording that day, then I would use this pillow. And honestly, I love it because it's just so comfy, and then it has the little insert right here for your client's neck. That way they're nice and comfy. I do this so my pillow doesn't get damaged, in case, you know, there's always glue accidents, there's always, you know, lashes going all over the place. So this will ensure that your pillow stays nice and clean and protected. And just to show you guys real quick what I end up doing with my pillow, I get these dental bibs. Normally I would use pink, but I just got these purple ones and they're so cute. I use these to cover up my pillow just like that. And with everything going on, you want to make sure that your station stays as clean as possible. And I feel like the pillow area is the most important because your clients are on it, they're sleeping on it. And I did also want to mention this butt pillow in this video, since we are talking about comfort. why not include ear comfort as well? I get a lot of questions on why I chose a lash bed over a recliner. If you guys haven't seen my lash bed versus recliner video, then in that video I talk about it a lot. But in that video I did explain that I did start off with a recliner and it was really bad for me. I couldn't see over the recliner. I had to be hunched over the recliner, and even though I had my clients scooted up as far as they could, they still ended up sliding down even though I would put a pillow under them. And the fact that I was hunched over all the time, it was really bad for my neck. My eyesight was bad, my back was hurting. It was just a hot mess. So I ended up switching over to a bed, and it has completely changed everything because I'm in a position where I can see my client, my arms at a level where I need it to be. But if you don't have the proper stool or chair, it will, give you back pains. So I recommend to get a butt pillow because a butt pillow will help you out with your posture. And if you don't have good posture, then that of course, affects your back. So this butt pillow, as you can see, literally has the shape of your butt, and I love it because it's just so comfy. Ever since I got this, well, I mean, I don't really have that much back problems, but sitting down for so long, if you do have a full day of lashing, then your back will start to hurt eventually, and your neck. So I ended up getting this butt pillow, and it has changed everything for me. Oh my goodness, I can't get enough of it. It's so comfy. It is made out of memory foam. So again, I will have everything linked down below for you guys so you guys can go check it out. But out of everything on here, I recommend your comfort first because you're the one that's going to be lashing all day. So get yourself a butt pillow. It will change everything for you. Once you do that, then you can work on your client. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button so you guys get notified every time I post a new video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.